issue require monthly tests for the following counties or areas: Clark, Clackamas, Columbia, Multnomah, Washington, Oregon, at 10:18 a.m. on November 5th, 2018, effective until 12:18 p.m. This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system through broadcast stations in the greater Portland/Vancouver area, including Clackamas, Columbia, Multnomah and Washington counties in Oregon, and Clark County in Washington, with the cooperation of public safety, broadcasters, and cable operators. This system informs you of events that pose an immediate threat to your life, health, or property. If this had been an actual emergency, official information would have followed the alert tone. This test was originated by Clark Regional Emergency Services Agency in Vancouver, Washington. This concludes this test message.
Well, that didn't work. Gee, this is really hard to turn. Say, do you see anyone who can help us turn the valve? Yeah, there's Pete. He's strong.